Okay. Quick testing with Blizzard Longinus. That way I can get a general feel of it. So we have Barricade Kirbyus with Spread Dash Drift 10. Wind Perseus with over Moment Dash, and I'm adding plus V 0. I added plus V for the weight, and then Devil Lucifer F Gear Illegal Bearing Drift 9. So this is up again. You know what? I'll do Barricade first. This is obviously a Delta Drive Longinus. It's still a prototype, so things are going to change, obviously. Yeah, this one is gonna be rough. It's Barricade, so opposite spin battle wise, it's kind of screwed. I'm gonna angle launch next time though. I want to see if I can get good hits. Yeah, drift is too good in opposite spin. Alright. I'll go first 2, 3. Okay, yep, we're getting good hits, but the barrier, yeah, the barrier is an issue. Okay, that's good to know. Take off my sweatshirt. Did pretty good. 2-0. No clicks. God, okay, yeah, those are good hits. I obviously modded the barrier a little bit to stick out more. Not a big surprise, but it did get really good hits. Alright. Oh, wait, it actually damaged one of the tongues. Oh! Okay, there we go. That is okay. Up next, I'll do Wind Perseus. Damn. God damn. What? What? Okay, decent hits. Yeah, wind is gonna be tricky. It is tossing it back. It is tossing it around, which is good. Okay, yeah, the recoil is good. That's... Alright, I'm happy with that. Against left spins, it'll probably do pretty good. Alright, yeah, barely outspins. That V here is definitely gonna add LAD. Alright, third one shoot. Third one to shoot. Yeah, okay. I'm doing it in the Delta Drive Stadium because, well, obviously it can hit the Delta Brink. That way it's not at a complete disadvantage and not in... Well, that way it has a slight advantage. It does struggle in opposite spin, especially against these tanky bays, but it does have LAD and is able to almost win against these defensive bays. That's actually pretty good. And this is stock too, so it's not optimized. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Okay, yeah, that was good. Kinda made me nervous there. Holy crap, that hit. That was a hit. Yeah, when it hits that Delta Brink, goddamn. Okay. That gave me dopamine. Yeah, killed its stamina though. It did get a good click on it, though. That's impressive. All right, 1-0 or 3-0. Up next is Devil Lucifer. This one it's probably going to struggle the most against. Because it's a tiny bay. Tiny bay with FU. And BDR. BDR is just a monster. Honestly, this on Drift in an opposite spin battle would be pretty good. Blizzard, at least, I mean. It does get in hits. Oh, halfway to bursting. Okay. Looks like we might not be struggling. 1-0. Okay, good hits. And I'm pretty sure it just chipped Devil. Whoa, okay. What was that? Was that a stall? Oh, what was that? Oh, yeah, no, it was drifting, but it couldn't move. It was scared. Okay, yeah, these sets are actually really good. I'm like 90% sure Devil just got chipped. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, no, Devil definitely getting chipped up there. Yeah, the wings are getting beat up. Okay. Halfway to bursting again. I'm happy with how this is turning out. Yeah, it didn't get in the hits it needed. Damn. Didn't get in good hits. It is getting some decent ones, but yeah, not good enough. It tosses bays. I'll do it up against a left spin just to see. Like, I'll do it against Zesticos. I'll do it against Zest. I'll put in left spin. I'll put in defense mode. I want to see this.